Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. GNOME 48 is set for release on March 19th, 2025, and some exciting updates are in the works. The headline feature for GNOME 48 is the addition of triple buffering support for NVIDIA systems. This enhancement is designed to significantly improve screen fluidity and reduce tearing on NVIDIA hardware, solving an issue that's long frustrated users. With triple buffering, GNOME aims to deliver a smoother and more responsive experience on a wider range of devices. When it comes to core apps in GNOME 48, improvements are anticipated across the board, though many details are still under wraps. For instance, there's talk of a new tab overview feature for Nautilus, similar to what we see in GNOME Web. This would bring a fresh, streamlined way to navigate open tabs in the file manager, enhancing multitasking and accessibility. In the image viewer Loupe, users can look forward to enhanced zoom controls, offering smoother and more precise zoom behavior, a welcome update. Additionally, support for raw image formats and basic editing tools like cropping are reportedly being considered. If these features are included, Loupe could become a compelling choice for distributions like Ubuntu to adopt it by default in the plucky Puffin release. And there's more. Showtime, GNOME's modern media player, might finally graduate from the incubator and officially take over from Totem. While it's still waiting in the wings, Showtime has already proven to be a capable media player and could soon become the default option for GNOME. With GNOME 48, we can expect not only a boost in performance with triple buffering, but also thoughtful improvements to core apps, making the desktop environment more powerful and user-friendly than ever. Thanks for watching.